It's your boy Demary642, and today I'm playing Don't Press the Button. Dun dun dun! Snowball! Snowball fight! I'm still wrecking all of you! Bye bye! Shit. I'm not going this. I'm not coming for you. Come here, I'm gonna get ya. Smart tactics, come here, boy. I'ma jump him. I'ma disappear again. I'll never get you. What do you mean? Oh no, you don't. Yeah, now we're teaming. Come here, boy. Come here. Ah, yes, the three of us are wrong. Okay, yeah. I pressed the button, yes. Oh yeah. Here's my name. Speed's my game. Oh man, I love it. No problem. First try. I got here the fastest. Let's go. All thanks to my trusted speed coil. Let's go. Anyway. Oh. Androids! Oh no. They just went. Ew. Boy, just try it, guys. Oh shit. Close to me, my friend. Oh that coming. Go, 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 go. Alright, goodbye everyone. We're done. Oh yeah, everybody survived. Never mind, no one did. What? Oh no.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Why is he here? Oh boy. Idiots. Anyway, let's go. I'm going right, because right is always right. Hey, don't follow my path, lady. Sometimes right's not. Oh boy, this girl's probably gonna find a diamond in a minute. I'm gonna go left. I'm going this way. This way. I'm back at the start? What do you mean? Oh, come on. Aww.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a bond of the nah. Next to a bond of the nah.
That one always cracks me up. Oh boy, here we go. 2 speed coil perk pill on my team. Hell yes. Heck yes. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh hell heck yes. Big Chungus team. Big Chungus. Big Chungus. Big Chungus. Big Chungus. Big Chungus. Let's go. Let's go. Come here, boy. I'll color your every tile. And they'll be red. Come here, boy. Wait, what? There's 2. What do you mean? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. For some reason, I always have to do it like this. Everyone else can probably do it straight. For me, I'm stuck with this. have to go. Oh, never mind. Speed coil time. I pressed it first. How? Oh, shit. Oh, I kind of suck at this game. What? Oh, jeez. I really suck at this. Jeez. You have to be so close for me to actually ace it. Oh, about time. I really suck to get the free. Oh, gee. Wait, another? What do you mean? This is dumb. Anyway, let's go, you guys. Hasta la vista, bro. Yeah. Aw, man, I didn't get the picture.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Michael, go away. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's crying with the baby down there. Big Chungus team, let's go. Man, I love this song. It's just so catchy. Fun fact, this is actually from Mario. Yeah! We did it! Yay! We did it! I'll get this one. No, what do you mean? Huh? Yeah, cake. Let's eat some cake, boys.
Yummy.
We all,
Yummy. Yummy.
we all deserve it.
Yummy.
Okay, I'm pressing the button. Oh boy, this one.